So I was wanting to make a Lethal Company mod pack for my friends because I want to play with a lot of them, and it's just too much work for them all to download them one by one, right? So I tried looking up a tutorial just to try to find one, so I knew like what I was doing. There's no tutorials at all. So hopefully, if anyone else wants to make a mod pack, this can help them. It took me like 4 hours to figure out how to do this because mostly I'm an idiot. But if I can do it, so can you. And if you do everything here, I'll go over every single thing I did to make the mod pack. So the first thing you need is this website. This is Thunderstore, like the actual what you upload the mod pack to. The first thing you're gonna need is a team. The team is like the author of the mod pack. You can easily go to make a team if you just click this button. I'll also just leave it in the description. You can just click create team. You can you can just name the team really whatever you want. You click create team. A team provided with the name already exists, so it needs to be a new name, but it literally is that simple. Communities, just Lethal Company. It's for a Lethal Company mod pack, so. And then if it is a mod pack, type mod packs. If it has any mods that's server sided so that everyone needs, then you need to include server side. If it doesn't have any mods at all that are server sided, so every single one only affects your game, then mark it client sided and not server sided. So after you do all this, you actually need to know the mods that you want, right? You need to know what mods you need for your mod pack so that people can download your mod pack. And once you know all your mods, so like you can see here, this is my mod pack that I just made, just as like a test mod pack for. It already has 11 downloads, but if you if you download this, the thing I didn't understand is you're not downloading like a folder full of mods, which is how I tried to do it originally. You're downloading one mod, right? And it just has every single other mod as a dependency. That way, all the other mods get automatically downloaded. That's the easiest way to make the mod pack, and I think that's the only way to make the mod pack. Um, so to do this, we need to upload a mod that has all of the dependencies listed that does nothing else other than just have dependencies. So the easiest way to do this is to have manifest.json file. And with this file, you can see this is the format that you need for your mod pack. Otherwise, it won't work. So I'll I'll just leave a copy of this in the description, like just like a basic version. Basically, just your name, whatever version of the mod pack you're on. If you update this, I don't think you need to update the version number, website URL, just leave this blank. Description, just whatever will show up whenever people are about to download it, just so they know. Um, Dependencies, this is really important. This is what the entire mod pack uses, is that every single one of these dependencies, when you download the mod pack, it'll download all these, which is how the mod pack actually works. So it took me a second to realize, like, what is this? This seems super complicated. It really isn't. So like you you see this. This is just the author or the team of the mod pack, the name, and the version. And in between them all, you need to put these dashes. And if there's an underscore, like you can see here in one of the mods that I got, it has underscores. You just include that. So like the easiest way is Bepin pack is the name of the mod, right? Everyone needs this mod. It's like the most important mod. So it's made by Bepin So you would put BepInEx, capitals do matter. Then the name of it, so BepInEx pack. So you'd put the author and then a dash and then the name of it and then another dash, right? Because you need to tell it what version of the mod to download. So you can get that right here. So you'll just do the author dash the name and then dash and the version of the mod. So the author dash the name of the mod dash and the version of the mod. And once you have that, you add a comma if you're going to add another one and just do parentheses and then the next mod. And if you want to do another one, add another comma, and you just keep going until that's all the mods. When you're done with the mods, you don't add a comma, otherwise it'll break. So after you have this, it needs to be in a text document. I just used WinRAR, which everyone should have. It's not hard to get at all. I'll just leave the link in the description. You literally just click this and it'll download an extra one. You just run that, and once you have that, you just need to go ahead and open WinRAR, and you can see like just a ton of files. Let's go to downloads. I'll make a new text document on my other monitor here. And so you just go to downloads, you find that text document. So you'll just come to WinRAR, you find your text file after you already have made the entire format. You'll click rename, and this is super important. You have to get rid of this .txt. You need to name it manifest with no capitals .json. No capitals. And that will instantly turn it into a JSON file, and you do not need to worry about that again. The next thing you need to do is you need to make a README file, README.md file. This is super easy. I just went to this website right here, and I'll leave this in the description as well. Once you go here, you literally just type in whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And after that's typed in, just click download. It makes a readme.md file, which is exactly what you need. It's that easy to make a readme. The next thing you need is the icon for the mod pack itself. To do this, I use a website called Lunapic, because you need to make it 256 by 256 pixels, so you can do that with really any image. This has a free image scaler, so you can easily scale the image however you want. Yeah, it's 256 by 256, and so you can easily set that here, click apply scaling, and save, and it'll just download the image. Once you're done with that, you need to go to your files. You need to rename this image icon, and that's all you need. You need to make sure it's a PNG file. If it's not a PNG file, you can once again just use WinRAR. Open it up, find whatever file it is, and rename it to .png, just like we renamed the .txt file into .json. You just name it .png. And once you have all that, you need to come to your folder. You need to make a new WinRAR zip archive that just comes with WinRAR. This is going to be your mod pack, so just video mod pack. Once you're in here, you need to make your new manifest, right? Like your new one. You need to drag it in there. You need to drag your README in there, and you need to drag your icon in there. And once all of that's inside, and you just come here, I found out it lags a lot if you actually like click to choose the file. So it's much easier if you just drag it out of your folder onto the spot. And once you're done with all of this, you just click submit. It's not going to work for me because my manifest is empty. Yeah, my manifest is empty. But if you followed everything that I said, this should be the end. Once you're done with this, it'll take about 10 minutes for the mod pack to actually be like fully uploaded and registered onto Thunderstore. So you just wait about 10 to 15 minutes and then all of your friends can get it and you can play with multiple people with multiple mods and it's just way easier. So I hope this helped you. This took me a long time to figure out, so I would appreciate if you liked the video or subscribed. It really doesn't matter though. Um, Leave a comment if this helped. If you have any problems at all, leave a comment and I will try my best to help you.